Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
As the sun arched over the Millennium Cricket League, Global Cricket Club and NJ Stallions Cricket Club locked horns in a classic F40 Premier Division clash, a stage set for an unforgettable drama of bat and ball.
Beneath a sky of anticipation, the global squad flared their cricketing prowess on the green canvas, while the Stallions readied their charge in this captivating battle of wills.
A tip of the hat to our event advertisers, whose support mirrors the team spirit seen today. Their role in crafting this spectacle was as pivotal as a spinner's final over.
Indeed, Isha, and speaking of precision and foresight, Div Gen Pharmaceuticals, crafting futuristic medicines with the strategy of a winning game plan, much like today's gameplay.
The match narrative wove a tale of Global's dominance with the bat, as Patel's power play ultimately set the tone. A crescendo of partnerships rocketed their score, despite Stallions Sehgal claiming 4 wickets in his hunt.
It was a rollercoaster of innings, with Patel's unyielded stay at the crease and Stallions' crumbling defense. The Stallions did gallop to a massive partnership but fell short, with Global's bowlers closing in swiftly, sealing the narrative.
Patel's symphony of shots reverberated across the ground, crafting an unbeaten 82, with McGarrell's cameo painting a 94-run masterpiece partnership that anchored Global's imposing total.
Strategic strikes and a few glimmers of brilliance from Sehgal and Hussain pierced through, but Global's innings sailed, lifted by the winds of fierce batting and extras.
Stallions embarked with intent, but the Global's bowling brigade, led by the precise McGarrell, dismantled their charge. Baig and Mumtaz partnership was the lone beacon in a fading quest.
A captivating chase turned sour as Global's bowlers spun a web around Stallions' lineup, a narrative of collapses and comebacks, with McGarrell's magic arm and Khan's fiery spells foreclosing Stallions' chapter.
Patel's mighty willow sculpted the game's fabric, while McGarrell's artful bowling etched his name as a match-turner, decisively tilting scales in Global's favour.
Patel painted the pitch with runs, and McGarrell's tight overs were the final nails in Stallions' coffin. Sehgal, despite his valiant 4-wicket haul, could only watch the ship sail.
The Sauda concluded with Global Cricket Club's triumph, a hefty 125-run victory echoing their prowess. The meld of Patel's power play and a bowling masterclass crafted this emphatic win.
Global's celebration and Stallions' reflection, a gap as wide as the margin of victory. The Gladiators not just won but made a statement, a resounding echo in the league's halls. Like a classic tale of cricket, Global etched their victory in the annals of the F40 League, a testament to their strategic acumen and indomitable spirit.
And as the dusk settles on this thrilling encounter, it's the echoes of Patel's bat and the swish of McGarrell's deliveries that will reverberate until these teams cross paths again.